Hello to all our pilot implementers of the Strengthened Senior High School curriculum. May bago tayong update, no? Just this morning, we had a meeting with the central office and they presented this. It's the new guidelines for grading our senior high school learners, only for the pilot implementers of the new senior high school curriculum. So, medyo nabago, no? For the core, okay lang naman, 20, 50, 25. But I guess this part here for the academic electives, parang nabago talaga, no? 25, 45, 30%. I think this is very new. Even in the Tech Pro, no? The 65% performance task is new. So, may mga questions kanina regarding if magre-release ba ang DepEd ng new class record kasi if you open a class record, hindi naman kasi if you are only a plain user, hindi mo naman kasi ma-edit itong percentage eh. Because this is lock, no? So, this is purposely lock para hindi matamper yung mga formula. So, for me as the developer of the electronic class record, the official release DepEd electronic class record of the senior high school, naisip ko I'd like to review because this is a very old project. I developed this um almost 10 years ago na siguro. So I tried to revisit it. I saw the developer's copy and I was able to edit it, and I think I'm about to share this to our schools in Mati City. We have 3 schools who are pilot uh, implementers of the Strengthened Senior High School. So I might as well share this to anyone who needs it because hindi naman madali mag-create ng ganitong program. For those who are advanced in spreadsheet, they can make their own. But those who are plain users, it's difficult. So it might be helpful to share this to anyone. So again, um, there's this update. Wala pang DepEd issuance, but it was presented na everyone is there, the regional office, and we from the division, and of course the pilot implementers was there. So, as I look at the school calendar, as of today dapat nakakuha na tayo, eh. We should start the quarter 2. So, I'm pretty sure ang mga teachers natin are already computing the grades, are already encoding the scores of their learners in the electronic class records. So, I'm sorry for those teachers, no, medyo late yung update. But eto na nga, we'll try to make a quick solution. I'll try to share this. Anyway, this is I'm still using the original template, no? Because as I mentioned, I was the one who was tasked to develop the official DepEd senior high school electronic class record. So what we did here, let's just have a run through of this ECR for those new teachers, especially those who are newly hired. So this is the user interface of our ECR. So we have down here the input data sheet. So this is the part where you encode the necessary data. No? Example, your region. In my case, na-encode ko na our division. And you will notice na yung mga nasa white boxes ang need i-fill out. The school ID, school year, grade and section, name of the teacher. And this one here, the semester, you just need to select from the drop-down list. It's either first sem or second sem. Now we are still in the first semester. For the subject, you need to encode your subject. For example, automotive servicing. NC2 for let's just say automotive servicing NC2. Here this is very important. This cell is very important because as you can see here, this will determine the correct percentage of each grading component. So let's just go back to the screenshot. As you can see, depende sa cluster of subjects. No? If it's academic electives, all other electives, written work is 25%, performance task is 45%, and quarterly assessment is 30%. So I am coding a Tech Pro subject. So let's see, Tech Pro 15, 65, and 20. So after selecting here your track, just ignore the track. This is for the Stranded Senior High School. There's only 2 tracks remaining. No, it's the academic and the Tech Pro. So automotive servicing is a Tech Pro elective. So after selecting that, you should be able to get the correct percentage. So if let's go to the first quarter grading class record. No, as you can see, written works is 15%, performance test 65%, and quarterly assessment 20%. This will automatically change. You don't need to manually encode this. We purposely lock this para hindi matamper yung class record. For example, if you'd like to, if you're a teacher for core subjects, you just need to select core and encode your subject here. For example, effective communication. It will automatically change the percentage here. So 25, 50, and 25. So I made this like this para isang file lang, no? Isang file lang yung electronic class record, no. Disclaimer lang, this is not yet an I wrote here below, this is not an official DepEd release. Although I was the one tasked who developed the previously official DepEd electronic class record for the senior high school. I did this now just to help our teachers because DepEd has not yet released an official e-class record for the pilot implementers of the senior high school. So since you are encoding now the grades, so I think it's an urgent concern. So that's why I made this video and I'm gonna share the file. But let's just make a run through with the tool again. So after encoding all this data, you may use tab in your keyboard and encode here. Again, this is very important. This will determine the correct percentage of each component. Just select which one applies to your subject. And then let's encode here the name of the learners. So male, we have prepared 80 rows, and the female also 80 rows. After encoding the important data here, we'll now proceed to the first quarter. So what should we do here? In every written works, for example, here, we'll encode the highest possible score, 20, for example, in the first written work. And then you encode below the scores, the raw scores of your learners. And the same as with the performance task, no? 20 ang highest possible score. Then encode the raw scores here. And of course, the last component, quarterly assessment or exam. For example, 30 items. You encode there and then input the scores of your learners. After inputting all the raw scores with the highest possible score, our class record, for those who are familiar, it will generate the quarterly grade. This is already transmuted based on the guidelines in DepEd Order number 8 series of 2015. For the second quarter, let's just click the second sheet, and the same procedure. You will encode the highest possible score, the raw scores of the learners, and once again, it will generate the quarterly grade. Um, for the core subject, you may need to ignore this. This is not yet a final grade, no? This was emphasized during our meeting because core subjects are now taught ho for the whole school year. Hindi na siya per semester. But hindi ko na inedit yung class record because I know every semester kasi tayo gumagawa nito eh. In the next semester, we don't know if may changes yung teaching loads natin, no? It's maybe yung learner mag-transfer. So it's really important na we can generate an electronic class record for per sem. Okay? Other schools also, maybe private schools are giving quarterly awards. So we really need to get the semestral grade, no? So this there's I for me there's no need to change our previous format, no, na dalawang quarter lang. Okay, so for the other subjects, yung per sem siya, okay naman, no? Ah, this is this is good already na dalawang grading sheet lang. Okay? What else? If you want to get rid of the extra blank rows, you may need to highlight it and hide. So highlight, right click, and then hide. So that when you print, it would fit in a single piece of paper. Depends on the number of learners. Again, disclaimer, this is only for pilot implementers of the strengthened senior high school curriculum. This is a new curriculum. If you are teaching the old curriculum, if your school is not implementing the strengthened senior high school, you don't need to use this electronic class record. Okay, how do you download this? So I'm sharing in the video description the link to download this. If you click the link, you will be redirected to SharePoint, no? Online. So you will open the same file as I've shown in the tutorial. So how do you download this? You need to click File and then create a copy and then download a copy. So is that easy, no? And then after downloading, because this our tool is not macro enabled o walang macro ito eh. So medyo magaan lang ito na file. After downloading, you can directly use it. I guess that's it, no? I'm sorry medyo late na ito, no? Even me, I was surprised. I just learned it today, this morning, na nabago pala yung mga percentage per component. Now, for the core subject, I think it's okay. For others, you may need to adapt for the changes. Again, wala pang DepEd issuance, but this was relayed. And since we are already in the quarter 2, no? Second quarter na tayo. Teachers are already computing the grades. So it's very important to have an access of an electronic class records. So that's it for this video. I hope it will be helpful for all our pilot implementers of the Strengthened Senior High School program. Thank you so much. God bless.